Once we know the properties of exponents, then or logarithms, we can use those properties of logarithms to either expand or condense mathematical expressions. Example 1 is looking at expanding. We're going to use the properties of logarithms to expand the following expressions. Take a moment, try to work these out on your own first, then resume the video when you're ready to see the solutions. For the first one, we have log base 4 of 64x cubed times the square root of y. Well, this is log base 4 of 64 times x cubed times y to the 1/2. We can break up all of this multiplication, giving us log base 4 of 64 plus, because multiplication is linked with addition, log base 4 of x cubed plus log base 4 of y to the 1/2. Log base 4 of 64. 64 is just 4 to the 3rd, which means log base 4 of 4 to the 3rd is 3. Now for the other two expressions, look for exponents. If we have exponents, we can pull them out front. Thus we get 3 plus 3 times log base 4 of x plus 1/2 times log base 4 of y. And that's our final answer. Now we can look at log base a of the cubed root of xy squared over z to the 4th. Alright, log base a, I'm going to write this root as an exponent, a fractional exponent, because that's a little bit easier to work with. Since the fractional exponent is on the outside, we want to pull that down first. We get 1/2 times log base a, xy squared z to the 4th. Well, now we see we have a numerator divided by a denominator. Division gets linked with subtraction. We get log base a of xy squared minus log base a of z to the 4th. Now we have multiplication. We get log base a of x plus log base a of y squared minus, we have our exponent, 4 times log base a of z. And lastly, we see we have an exponent on the y as well. Thus we get 1/2 times log base a of x plus 2 log base a of y minus 4 log base a of z. And that is our final answer. And lastly, we want to find the log of 2.7 times 10 to the 4th over x to the negative 2. We could rewrite this x to the negative 2 in the numerator if we wanted to, giving us 2.7 times 10 to the 4th times x squared. What we see is we have multiplication with 3 terms. We get log of 2.7 plus log of 10 to the 4th plus log of x squared, which equals log of 2.7. Remember, log is log base 10, so log base 10 of 10 to the 4th is just 4, plus 2 log x. And that is our final answer. You're ready to go on to condensing mathematical expressions. You are more than welcome to go on to the next video. If not, you can review this video and make sure that expanding expressions make sense to you.